Hi students, I wanted to remind you all of how we do a bearing problem. Bearing means it is the angle measured clockwise from the north. So I've drawn our north, south, east, west, which is actually our XY axis. And let's read the problem. It says a plane flies 500 kilometers with a bearing of 316 degrees from Naples to Elgin. So we're going from Naples. Naples, the from city is always at your origin. The from city is at your origin. So we fly 500 kilometers with a bearing of 316 degrees. So we start at the north and we're going to move 316 degrees right about in here-ish. And this will be Elgin out here. So that is 500 kilometers to Elgin with a bearing of 316 degrees. So I'm going to mark that 316 so I don't forget that. It says the plane then flies 720 kilometers from Elgin to Cameron, and Cameron is due west of Naples. Cameron is somewhere over here, due west of Naples. So from Elgin to Cameron, we fly 720 kilometers. Find the distance from Cameron to Naples. So we want to find this distance down here. So we start by figuring out how many degrees this angle is. So if we had 316 degrees from north all the way around, and we know that this is 270 degrees, we can take 316 minus 270, and that gives us 46 degrees. So that angle that I pointed at, that is a 46-degree angle. So I'm going to mark that 46 degrees. Okay, so my first thought is, can I use the law of sines? So I can only use law of sines if I have an angle and I have that angle's opposite side. So yes, I can use the law of sines. So I'm going to set it up. The sine of 46 over its opposite side, which is 720, and that's 46 degrees, equals, now I really want to find x, but I don't know angle E. So I can't find x until I know angle E. So I can find angle C using the law of sines. I can find this angle. So I can say the sine of angle C over its opposite side, which is 500. So make sure that you are in degree mode when you do this. We're going to cross multiply. That would be 500 times sine 46 and equals 720 times sine of angle C. We'll divide both sides by 720. So I divide by 720. I'm trying to save a little bit of room. Divide by 720. Now to get rid of sine and find angle C, we're going to take the inverse of sine. So inverse sine cancels out sine. Of course, what we do to one side, we've got to do to the opposite side. So we'll take a calculator and we're going to find angle C, and I'm going to tell you it's 30 degrees. You can do it, you can do the calculations in the calculator yourself. So this angle, angle C, is a 30-degree angle. That's 30 degrees. Now I can find angle E. So I'm going to take 180 minus C plus N is 76. So that's 180 minus 76. That would be 104. So angle E is 104 degrees. And now we can use law of sines one more time. We will take the sine of the 46 over its opposite side, 720, equals the sine of the 104-degree angle over its opposite side, which is x. So remember degree mode. I'm gonna cross multiply. So I'd have 720 sine 104 equals sine 46 times x. We'll divide both sides by sine 46. Sorry, just cleaning that up a little bit. And we divide by sine 46. Make sure you're in degree mode, and x equals 971. I think it was 0.2. You can do that. I know it's 971. I think it's 971.2. Anyway, I wanted to make sure that you guys got to see that, and have a great day.